In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an ElevenLabs subscription in just 5 minutes. Whether you're jumping into the creative world of AI voices for the first time or are a seasoned user looking to upgrade your plan, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Make sure you're using a browser that is up to date to guarantee the best performance and security while navigating the internet. Once your browser is open, head over to the ElevenLabs website. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to log in. Simply input your username and password, and if prompted, complete any verification steps to access your account. If you're not yet a registered user, there will be an option to sign up, which is quick and straightforward. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. This is where you'll find an Upgrade button. Clicking on this button is the key step in accessing the various subscription plans that ElevenLabs offers. This organized approach helps ensure you're not missing vital information scattered around the website. Next, you'll be presented with a list of subscription plans available. Here, you can choose the plan that best suits your needs and budget. ElevenLabs typically offers different tiers, each with varying features, so take a moment to read through what each plan includes. Whether you're after something basic or a more feature-rich premium option, there are choices available. Additionally, you'll need to decide between an annual payment term or a monthly one. The annual option might come with some savings, so if you're planning to use the service long-term, that could be the more economical choice. Once you've selected your plan and payment term, the website will route you to a new page where you will be asked to provide your payment details. Make sure you have your payment information ready. This can be a credit card or other accepted payment methods depending on the options offered by ElevenLabs. Double-check all the information you enter to avoid any hiccups in the subscription activation process. After you've entered and confirmed your payment information, look back over your selection to make sure everything is in order, and then proceed with the purchase. In most cases, you should receive confirmation of your subscription almost immediately. You're now set and ready to explore all that ElevenLabs has to offer with your new subscription. And there you have it, a quick and simple process to securing an ElevenLabs subscription. Hopefully, this guide makes your journey into AI-generated voices even more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.